How to mute a group chat on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. When you are in the Messages page, you can view all your chats and group chats. On this page, find the conversation of a group chat you wish to mute. Press and hold the message thread and swipe to the left. This will reveal two options beside the conversation. Tap on the mute icon, which is represented by a bell icon with a slash through it. This action will silence notifications for this specific group chat. A grayed version of the mute icon will appear on the right side of the group chat to indicate that the notifications have been muted. You have now successfully muted this group chat and will no longer receive notifications from it. Following these steps, you can easily mute a group chat on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.